Do
We're
because
going
this is
to,
only half full, we're going to fill this one up
okay.
and put it back on the bench.
We'll replace the oil of the excavator. So this is the hydraulic oil, 68, number 68. So it be awkward.
I want to go down.
Are you in? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
because water goes downhill, remember?
I think it's up to the shoulder.
Can you see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
It's up
where's
here
it
now.
up?
Up
Okay.
here now.
yeah, I can see it in here. I was looking for that thing.
Yeah, it's full.
I thought it would be on the other
full.
side, but it's on that side, yeah. Okay.
So this is how many liter?
5.
5 liters. So we're going to top up 5 liter to the excavator and hope that will fill up the.
We'll use this one.
Oh, we'll use this one.
Yeah, or just get empty.
Oh, okay. I'm wrong.
Just so next time we've got a full 5 litre, we don't have to top it up again now, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
Right. So just check the oil on these. You've got to have the boom out like that with the bucket flat on the ground, or it's nearly flat.
Yeah.
And then go the right level inside.
Okay. You got that? Yep. Get that.
You got the Spaniard.
Spaniard there. Okay. That's where the oil
Okay.
of the excavator, the blood flows. This is the blood of the engine,
The lifeblood.
the live blood.
Oh,
Oh my gulay.
What?
What?
Did you show them here where we're
What?
looking for the level?
So that's the level.
So there's nothing there at present.
So yeah. Okay, I'll just leave this off.
There it is coming now, see?
Okay, let's see. Yep, it's coming.
Did you see it?
Yep,
And there's about half, or we'll just go
half.
a bit over.
That's over.
Yeah.
It's almost full.
Yeah. Well, it's not. But as you see, it's not a lot between top and bottom, but because of maybe a bit of air in the system,
Yeah.
I'll just go a bit over.
But the instruction, you need to put just half of this here. Half of the oil, right?
Yeah, if there's no air in the system.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're in business.
Okay.
Okay. Ding ding.
Are we are.